Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Richie Nelvida, 40 years old, single mom, and I have 5 children. I have an experience as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 3 years. I do Arabic food, and I'm willing to learn to do or cook another food. I also know how to take care of kids, washing clothes, ironing, cleaning the house, and gardening. Mom, sir, if you will hire me, I will do my responsibility with love, care, and dedication. I hope that I will be part of your family and I will take care of your family as my own family. I'm a happy person, motivated, honest, and hardworking. Thank you so much.